This video is going to be about our trip to the Satrem waterfall. Now, all those of you who haven't been to the place yet, it's a really amazing place and you should visit it if you get a chance. Now, that being said, it's not exactly an easy place to get to. There's like a 2-hour trek involved and people do tend to get lost on the way, like we did the first time that we went there. So at the end of this video, I'm going to add a few tips based on our experience which will help make your trip a lot easier. So please do watch the video till the end. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for further videos. So now let's get started with this video.